Hey, hello! In this activity, we are going to complete here with this sound. I, okay? These are capitals, estas son las mayúsculas, and these are small letters, estas son las minúsculas, okay? You can complete here, okay, with this sound. And we have here flies, flies, pie, pie, fries, fries, tie, tie, okay, with letter T, okay. Now you are going to complete and you are going to match, okay. You are going to match the dots, unimos los puntos, okay. For example, here, pie, okay, pie, pie, tie, 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 flies, flies, moscas, flies, flies, fries, fries, okay, fries. Okay, very good. Don't forget to color, no se olviden de colorear. Bye.